Hi friends, Arbaz here from FitFlex Academy. Today's topic we will be covering is how to break your weight loss plateau and why does it occur. Okay, first we will be covering why does weight loss plateau occur. It occurs due to low calorie intake. You must be wondering why low calorie intake. Low calorie intake is required for weight loss, right? Yes, but there is one twist. Let me explain you with an example of Nikhil. Okay. Nikhil is weighing 80 kg and his BMR, that is basal metabolic rate, which basal metabolic rate is the calorie intake required for Nikhil to maintain his weight. Okay. Nikhil's basal metabolic rate at 80 kg is 2000 calories and he is cutting down 500 calories and going at 1500 calories. So in week 1 he is reducing 4 or 5 kgs. This is called as phase 1, which is normal phase. Later in week 2 and 3 he is reducing more 500 calories and going at 1000 calories, but he stops losing weight. Suppose his weight was 80 kg in week 1, later he reduced to 75, but in week 2, 3, 4 he is not reducing any more weight, that is he is staying at 74 or 75. This is called as weight loss plateau. Body functioning. Body functioning requires energy, and energy comes from two sources. One is food itself and another is stored fat. In Nikhil's case, what was happening was, in phase 1, which was normal phase, his body was consuming energy from both sources, that is food as well as fat. 40% when he reduced his calorie, 40% his energy source was coming from food, while 60% of his energy source was coming from fat. What happened in phase 2? Phase 2 is also called as survival phase, where he stopped losing any more weight or fat. Survival phase is the phase in which the body stores more and provides less. Let me explain you with an example. Suppose Nikhil is taking 1 gram of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate has 4 calories. So what his body will do is, his body will try to store 2 calories and provide energy with 2 calories. In this phase, the body goes in fatigue and muscle weakness. Okay. So how to break it? How to break this plateau, weight loss plateau, right? For this you need to be a trickster. Trickster. Yes, trickster. You have to trick your body in a way. Like Nikhil's BMR was 2000 calories in week 1. He reduced it to 1000 calories in 3rd and 4th week, where his body stopped losing any fat. This is the survival phase. What he needs to do is, he has to bring his body back to his normal phase, where his body feel like, okay, I am getting enough calories, I don't need to store more calories. So what he has to do is, he has to bring these calories back to his BMR level. Okay. When he is taking calories at his BMR level, his body won't be storing calories, as in his body will be utilizing it. And again, after 1 week at his BMR level, he can again reduce his calories for his weight loss journey. So this is how you break your weight loss plateau. For more content like this, do like our video, subscribe and share. Thank you.